Alright, let me see if I can get this somewhere we can see the screen without terrible glare. That's not great, but we'll put it over here. We're on a 22, what is this? Kia Telluride. So we're going to do this through diagnostic, smart key code saving. I already went ahead and bought the pin. I don't know. So you guys let me know if you found something that can read the pin in this car and doesn't take freaking 20 minutes. Been a little while since I've done one of these. So we're going to hit Kia USA. Yes. So we're basically doing all keys lost. We're at Carvana. Car, I'm guessing, came from the auction and has a, what is that? This is an X-Horse Mopar Universal. So we're going to get rid of that one. We got 2 OEM keys somewhere. Where did I leave the keys? There's one. Separate pockets. Why wouldn't I do that? Put them in different pockets. That makes perfect sense. So here we have the 2 OEM keys. We're gonna, you know, Kia deletes them anyway and starts over. But we're gonna go hot functions. Emo keys. I think I'm looking for smart key code saving, something to that effect. Smart key code saving. Look at that. I'm smart too. To do this function, you need a link to the internet. We have done that. Let me get this pin code out because I'm pretty sure it's going to ask me for that. 41072. Ignition off. Have each fob to teach and press OK. OK. 141072. 141072. Correct. Enter. Okay, and then we're just gonna, for the programming for this, you just push the start button with each key, and then we're done. All right, press OK, and then hit the start button with the first fob. Okay, holding the button. First key teaching completed. We're going to do that again. Okay. Oh, gotta hit the key. Second key teaching completed. I do not want to continue. We're done. So you hit cancel, which is a weird, it's counterintuitive to hit cancel. You feel like it's going to mess you up, but okay would have been doing another key and then wouldn't have a third and we would have had to start over. And you do have to back out of those menus before the remote will work. Come on. There it is. Alright. What is that locking? That's not locking because the door's open. There's 1. There's 2. This one's got this cool Kia light. I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. But other than that, we're done. When you buy the PIN code for this car, it does come with the key code. So, and with this Mopar, I'm pretty certain I don't have one to copy anyway. Yep. So I'm going to cut it by the key code that came with the immobilizer PIN code, and this is another brand new key that I have scored from them. Collect quite a few keys here. They get a lot of cars from auction with brand new Autel, X-Horse, whatever universals, and they literally have been used to start the car and get it here, so they're brand new. So pretty good deal. 2 new OEM keys with the Autel Im608.